Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I am EBB 1393.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
What is your marital status?
I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 17 years old, one boy.
Who will take care of him when you work abroad?
My husband.
Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
No, ma'am, but I have experience here in local as a household in work 4 years.
As a household helper, what are your main duties or responsibilities?
My responsibilities included feeding the child, bathing, changing her clothes, preparing her meals, playing with child, help with homework, and keeping a child clean and safety. And I also do as household chores as a cleaning, cooking, ironing, and maintaining as a all nanny.
Okay. You've mentioned taking care of a child, so do you need to send them to school?
I am responsible in sending and picking them from the school.
In the future, if your employer has a child, are you willing to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, I am willing very much.
Are you willing to teach or tutor your future employer's children like reading, writing, counting, or any other learning activities?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very willing very much and confident do that responsibly.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you get there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
If you're homesick, what will you do?
Focus on my work, remind myself why I am here, make busy myself. If I have free time, I call my family.
If your day off is not on Sunday or you don't have any day off because your employer needs your assistance, are you still willing to take the job?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still reading.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No, ma'am, because I am pet lovers.
Are you willing to take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing if it's needed.
Are you also willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it during your working hour?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing. My work is my priority.
When your employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake, what will you do?
Stay calm, apologize, and learn from my mistake, and promise them it will never happen again.
Why choose Hong Kong?
Aside from highest salary, I chose Hong Kong because it is safe country for domestic helper like me, and it's offer better job opportunity to help me also my family future.
If you work in Hong Kong, how long do you plan?
If I get hired, I plan to work Hong Kong as long as my employers need me and good relationship.
Okay, last, say a few words to your future employer.
Good day to my employer. My name is Mary G. Valderrama. I hope I have the chance to work with your family. I am easily adapt the new environment. I am flexible, goal-oriented, hardworking, and willing to more. I assure you, I will love and care your children as my own. Thank you and have a good day.